hear the south wind moan. Bridges getting lower, train folks coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a drink from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a Apache train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around every June. The high black water the devil's taught up, but she's hard and she's cold and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water.